I am Kasey Martinez. I am studying finance and I am a sophomore. I hope to learn that with my finance degree and in the future potentially work with a big company to raise more funds for a bigger cause in the future. The fun part about fundraising is definitely the planning. The amount of time it takes to come up with the end goal is really impressive. Not a lot of people look at that. A lot of people just see the end, but they don't look at the thought process, the time it takes, the amount of hard work that is required to do even like the smallest step to get to that big part of it. The HDU faculty has taught me to be responsible with my work. I have been offered many opportunities while being here for such a short amount of time, and that has helped me build my resume. It has helped me build up my skills, working with a POS system at the bookstore, and also learning how to work an Excel sheet, which is something that I didn't learn before I came here. And then the soft skills would definitely be like leadership and how to work with others and really be cooperative with people. I've always had the perception that finance people present the numbers and explain it to people in a very easy way. People should major in finance to understand the foundations of business and how money works.